We already removed the carpet, the table from the main entry. Jose is vacuuming all the floor. We already removed the table from the kitchen area. There is some dust under the carpet. You can see the difference between the area where the carpet lays and the kitchen area, happy traffic area. Jose is vacuuming all the area. It's more difficult to clean when everything or the house is occupied, but we can do that. We already moved the chair, some tables, and we put it on top of the bed. He's vacuuming really good the floor before we start. Closet area here. We have the cleaning agent here, and we are gonna start putting the product, let it sit, and scrub all the corners with our product. The traffic area is kitchen, all the hallway where all the people transit and walk, and mostly the kitchen area is stained. You can see the difference on the grout. Is protecting the rug, putting some white towels so the rug that is in that area won't be wet. And we are going to clean the edge of the towel. She's putting more product in detail in the worst lines. Always prepare with the pads that we put under the legs of the table. He's gonna do that right now, so we don't damage the floor, we don't damage the table, and it will be easy for us to move it. Working with furniture inside the house in the meantime we are cleaning tile is more difficult, but we are prepared with the tools. That's always the wall. Exactly, that's it. Thank you. We already put all the furniture away. We'll let it sit the product a little bit, so the product will do the work. Then we are going to use a special scrubber and the steamer to detail cleaning the grout lines. Then rinse, dry, and seal. Don't stop. Schedule your tile cleaning at 407-572-4118. We are located in Davenpprt, Florida, and we can clean your tile and grout floor. Just schedule it in advance. anyhousecleaning.com, plenty of videos on YouTube, really good reviews on Google. We are rinsing first the product and then we absorb all the dirt from the floor. We already pre-scrub.
Don't stop.